Hi, I'm Tony from Yacht Controller, and I come to you here from the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show 2024. And I'm pleased to announce this amazing news. Hit the press wire this morning, announcing MarineMax and Yacht Controller collaborating on a nationwide scale, authorizing Yacht Controller as the exclusive wireless provider for all their brands of boats. You know, I think back, we've been in business 21 years. We're approaching 30,000 sold systems. Our first Yacht Controller sale to MarineMax, and I'll never forget it, was in 2008 to MarineMax Newport. And I thought back then, hey man, we got a shot at this. And here we are, 18 years later, having equipped many, many boats for MarineMax. To reach this pinnacle in our business, I think really is a testament to the quality in our wireless control, the technology, the features, and our ability to keep up with the times and progress and evolve as the boater has evolved. And I'm grateful that MarineMax has recognized that. It's been a great long run. We look forward to many, many years to come. And I want to thank MarineMax, and I want to especially thank MarineMax Newport Beach, California for being the first to trust us. Thank you very much.